Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're going to talk about another awesome project. It's called Shahnai. Shahnai is a 3D play to earn game where you can play this game with your favorite characters and you will be get lot of profit. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting that, you see small disclaimer: this is not investment advice. I'm not yet financial advisor, so make sure to do your research before any investment. I'm not responsible and profit and losses. So here you can check it out. I'm here on the Google Play. You'll be get their application from the Google Play, and also you'll be get their application on the App Store. So first of all, you can check out their total ratings, total downloads, 3.+ star rating, play to create, and this is a 3D massively multiplayer online role-playing game based on blockchain technology, and you can check it out on the Google Play Store, and this is the official App Store. You will be get this application easily for iPad and iPhones. So I hope you understand it. So now we're going to talk about their tokens, their price prediction on the MEX exchange and Bitmart. This project already listed on the Bitmart and MEX. So first of all, you can check out their the project call. The token call is $DRN, and you can check out their 1% high, 24-hour high, 24-hour low, 24-hour volume, 24-hour USDT amount. So it's a very huge amount. So you can check out their price $2.14, and you can also see the price prediction of 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day. So here you can check out their price prediction. This project yesterday the price is $2.34, but now price is $2.14. Project is going to dump, but soon this project will be go to the high price. So you can check out their 1 day price prediction. You can check out here you can check out their total price. So let's see here you can check out their total price, and this project is going to be dumped and starting on that $15, and now here on the $2.14. So this project is going to dump because their low cap market. So soon this project give you 1000x profit easily. Guys, one more thing: if you want to invest your money after watching my video, please do your research first, then make investment, because I'm not your financial advisor, as I already told you first. And now you can check out their Bitmart. Here you can check out their Bitmart price prediction, and everything right here. So I hope you understand everything. This project already listed on Bitmart and MEX exchange. So guys, first of all, we're going to check on the Crypto. Crypto is the biggest platform where the latest and good NFTs project listed for the popularity. And guys, first of all, we're going to talk about their on the Crypto, and then I also show you how to play this game, and I also play this game live in this video. So you can check out their GameFi play to create Crypto.io. Shahnai is a word for 3G large scale multiplayer online role playing game, mobile game, MMORPG based on blockchain technology. The game worldview of the based on Utonom's original IP Metaverse Connects, which integrates traditional classic culture and future fantasy elements and combines multiple competitive models such as single player, overview, world composition, strength system, and ethnic competition. And you can take the word view, gameplay, word boss, field hang up, Dain trial roadmap. First of all, you can take out their internal test without deleting file, rich basic gameplay, open multiplayer, advanced copy, open arena function, add mentoring task, open guild wars in more exciting the games, and the end of the project. And guys, you can check out all the information on the Crypto. Basically, Crypto is our first and largest project where the latest NFT project listing I already told about. So now we're going to talk about now we're going to play the game. So guys, before playing the gameplay, I want to just tell you some latest updates about the Shahnai. Guys, Shahnai launched their Aman airdrop board, where user will be get almost $1 million DRN token, and bonus is $DRN, almost $25 5 DRN token. Distribution instant. Shahnai GameFi rating of 5-star. So you can check out their Shahnai bot. I provide this link in description. You can check out Shahnai airdrop bot. Simply, you need to click on start option, then you need to click on start, then you can see this interface will be open. So first of all, you can see Shahnai airdrop. I already tell about this project details. Reward pool 1 million DRN token, their bonus is 5 DRN token, almost $25 market, MEXC, Bitmart, CoinStore, Dex2. I already show in my video their token price and everything. Distribution instant, I already told about it. All the tasks are mandatory. First of all, you need to join the group Shahnai GameFi. Simply click on this link. Simply all the tasks are mandatory. Simply join the airdrop. Click on join. First of all, you need to complete the some task. You need to join their Telegram channel, their Telegram guide. Start the airdrop bot, join Telegram channel, complete all tasks, and redeem code is Shahnai game. Shahnai game FI. So let's check it out the future process. So guys, first of all, follow our Twitter page, subscribe our YouTube page, then follow our Instagram page, Facebook page, TikTok page, complete all tasks, submit your username. First of all, you need to simply click on Twitter. Can you simply click on open option, then you can see the Twitter will be open, and then you need to simply follow here. My account is not logged in, but I show you how you can do it. Simply go to this Twitter account, open a new tab. You can check it out, their Twitter tab is open, and then you need to subscribe their YouTube channel. And after all guys, you need to follow their Instagram page, and then you need to follow their Facebook page. You can follow it easily, and you can do it the task easily by completing their simple task, and you'll be get the $5 DRN 5 token, almost $25. And guys, after joining the all the links, just simply complete all the task, and after all you need to submit your username, and then click on submit, and then after everything will be done. So guys, simply you need to follow it on their Facebook page, and then click on Instagram, then YouTube, Twitter, then after all joining the all the tasks, then simply come back here, complete all tasks, submit your username, and then must play our game Shahnai GameFi. Submit your email with which have you registered in the Shahnai game. Download Shahnai from Google Store, download Shahnai Apple Store, and simply enter your email. Simply I am entering my email. You need to first of all download their application, then simply go to your account, then log in it, register it, and then simply send your email here. So you'll be get your bonus easily, and you'll be participated in the $1 million DRN tokens airdrop. So I hope you understand everything. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. The game
Google Play Store, and we have opened it. This is the interface where the legend new methodology GameFi mode is working, MMORPG. So it has some updates, so we have to wait for the next 100 loading. When it will be completed, then I'll show you how this is going to be next. Profitable gameplay where you can get the token, you can also get the reward by playing this game successfully on it. So we have to just wait, and now you can check out. This is the game home interface where you can find some new features that has been upgraded successfully. You have to click on the start play button, and here is also required a game update. So we have to click on the switch network, and now you can also go to start the gameplay button. So we can also Google login and email login. We can suggest Google login, so we have to select one of them, and now you can check out very easily that our game login has been made successfully. Now there is a gameplay where you can select the character, as this is the swords master with a defense, and there is multiple attack, defense, and you can select the powers according to these. You can say in simple that these are the characters and simple scenarios by which you can play this game. You can get the reward by victories, and your opposition should be lost. So Club open treasure chest and I get a DRN token. Here is new activities that is going on: living record, DRN withdrawals, Fario upgrade, Shahnai gameplay. You can check out all these drop of detail on it. There you can also check out, this is your profile where you can update. You can also get some features. I will show you that how this is going to play game. Like you can select the character, you can play the tournament, as there is required to play 3 to 5 battles for according to tutorial, so that you can be a strong man who can play this game very easily. So now you can check out here that there is also something new with your profile picture, avatars, and photo frame chat box that you can purchase so that your profile should be looked as perfect. So next thing is about the ad wallet, DRN, UTN, UMT, NFT. Stay tuned, and USDT can also be used, one of them. If you want to click on the password, then you can also select the billing, and there is chest box also for your earning. So you can get the office community, you can contact them, you can follow them for upcoming detail as well. So next thing is about level up to peak. As much as your level will increase, you will get the profit, you can make more earning. So next thing is also one of the important, that is also related to fight. If you wanna fight, then you have to select the currency, then you have to select the character that you have upgrade, and your strength will be increased once you have battle with the other players. There is also playing this one, and now you can check out that you can play, and your points is increasing, +1 +94 +100 +64 -71 +71. You can also check out in this way, you can fight, and there will be rewards that can be collected once you have finished this gameplay fight. So next thing is about their get DRN, as you can exchange the DRN UTN token as well once you have to get or earn this token as a reward by playing this game. As much as you can spend your time on it, you will earn the profit. So I hope you are getting my point. And here you can select the character, there are different characters, there are different ecosystem according to which you can earn this token as well. So next thing you can check out about their new characters, new simply things is also a variable, like you can deposit, you can swap, you can get simply. There is a lot of things that can be upgraded so that your power should be increased. So next you can check out, there is also play gameplay where you can select your levels, you can get the discount on level 1 VIP 1 VIP 2 VIP 3 so on. There is raffle income as well in which you can participate so that you can get a lot of income. So here is the next level gameplay where you can check out the Shuitian. There is 3D view, 2.5D view, you can select, you can open, you can also claim the token that you are earning by playing this game. So there is also an exciting journey with a new playable games. You can download it, as I have already shown to you how this is going to be. Next details. Next thing you can check out very easily that there is pointing points that you can get the common groups. There are global level playing this game, so you have to suggest with your friend as well, you can invite, your profit will be increased. So next thing is about one of the interesting is also about their other weapons, armors that you are going to upgrade so that your power will be increased. And here multiple things is working on this gameplay. There are multiple chances that you are going to work. So I hope that you have played how this is going to be a next very profitable thing that you should not miss, and don't miss out this thing. Now we are going to introduce the other things that are also valuable for you. Now I am going to share the most grand project event that is going on as SEL, in which you can participate. Here is Shanghai to win $500 in cash. In for which competition is started, you have to click on it and you will get, this is the interface where the some rules regulation are applied to get 500, 300 and 300 or 100 cash. So here you can get 4 to 6 and 7 to 24. There are time period has been mentioned. Shanghai Alliance League as SAL that is going on, in which you can compete. You can also get some rules for winning. Our condition is that you have to destroy enemies based within the specified time. So here you can also get the competition process where you can get the registration time, restrictions and the limit that will be effective, and you are qualifying, you are eligible for this SAL. For that you have to find and you have to fulfill these conditions that are final for their project. So I hope that you are getting the point to participate in the SAL.
that are also a brand and a big opportunity for you by which you can make 500 real cash in it.